Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're interested in the X11, the link to it will be in the video description. So first thing we have to do is pop the cover off, place it to the side, and then we have our power button and switch right here. So the restart's just a simple power cycle. So currently we have it in the on position. We have the light on. We just flip it all the way to the left to our red circle. Everything's shut off. There's no lights on. We'll just give it a second or two, and then we'll reboot it. By turning it back to the on position, you'll notice that the lights are blinking.
Hello,
we'll give it a minute.
The system is starting up.
It's telling you it's starting up.
Take another 15 seconds.
15 seconds,
Please
give or take.
tight.
Hang tight. We can put the cover back on, and that's it. It's simple and straightforward to power cycle and to restart your Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni.